Hi guys, my name is Matthias Haakman for KG Systems and KG Greenhouses. It is the middle of July 2022 and it's 35 degrees outside and very humid. I'm in Columbus, Ohio. I'm at the convention center here for the Cultivate show. This is the biggest horticultural show in the United States. We are represented by our dealers Bellpark and the Cloet greenhouses at BFG. I'm gonna take a walk around on the show and show what it's all about. If you like what you see, definitely come here to visit next year. We'll be there, and I hope you'll be there too.